Hi, Saul from Cheap Alarm Parts. Today I'm going to show you how to connect a Solution 3000 up to the A-Link software using various configurations. This is Solution 3000. There are a number of ways we can connect to the A-Link software. We have a B426 IP module connected, so we can find the unit on the network and connect via IP. I also have a DLA which allows us to directly connect from the laptop into the 3000, or we can also cloud connect, as this has got a unique QR code and it's programmed to be set up with cloud connection, so we can connect directly via the cloud from wherever we are. Now, if we're going to connect via the cloud or via IP, there's nothing more to do because we've already got a B426 running on this system. But if we were to connect via the DLA, we need to plug our DLA in. So the DLA sits on the bus the same way the keypad and the B426 or B450 unit does, and you can either connect it via the single connection on the board here, or on every module there are two connections and you can daisy chain them. So the one side of the DLA connects to one of these daisy chains and the other side connects straight to your laptop. Now, one thing you need to make sure before you connect is that your sirens are not running, because if your sirens are running, the A-Link software will not make a connection to the alarm panel. If you've enjoyed this video, leave your comments below. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Also, you can catch us on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget to visit our site www.cheapalarmparts.com.au. See you next time.